Welcome to the Creating and Sharing Camera Views tutorial. Navigate to the point cloud and desired viewpoint you wish to capture. Ensure you have watched the navigation tutorial to understand the ways to access and view point clouds. Once you are happy with the view, select Browse Data, followed by the drop-down arrow at the top of the screen next to point clouds. Select Camera View, and this will load the camera views within your profile, both shared and created. To create a new camera view, select Create Camera View and enter the name within the free text field provided and select Create. You will see a green pop-up window in the left-hand corner once you have successfully created the view. Your new camera view will appear on your list and you may need to scroll down to the bottom to view it. Once the camera view has been created, this can then be shared with others. Select the Share button, enter the email address of the person you would like to share this with and click Share. The Select button will also allow you to load other camera views, and the Delete button will delete any camera view you have created. You can confirm the deletion through the pop-up confirmation or cancel the action. Please note you can only delete views you have created.